and we deliver material in domestic market by truck. Let's go to see our production line. So here is our warehouse. After our production, we will stock material here, wait for delivery, wait for load to containers. See, this is our production line. We will show you how we produce material and how we package. This is our Roku board or sandwich panel, and we will show you how we produce them. You can see our Roku board quality. This is we just finished production, wait for delivery. We are producing. Our factory is producing 24 hours per day. Now we are producing 100mm Roku board, high density. You can see our material. All our production line is automated. Here's our control system. All by automated. This is for our export orders. Now we are going to show you our furnace. So here, yes. This is how we make Roku the start. Our machine distributes the raw material on the production line very averagely. So everyone, this is our whole production line, and we open for 24 hours production. The order will be produced in 7 to 10 days, very fast. And our purchase capacity is around 100 tons at least. And per day we can load around 10 containers. So whenever your order big or small, we can make sure your lead time is very fast. We can produce and delivery very fast. Okay, so wait for your orders.